Good morning, children. Today I'll start a new chapter, chapter 4, editing tools of word processor. Okay. So before I start this chapter, I had sent you one PDF in your class group which contains question answers and exercises from chapter 3. So please do copy in your access copy. Okay. Then after you finish copying chapter 3, you can start chapter 4. Alright. So after I finish this chapter also, I'll be sending you the question answers and exercises from this chapter too. Okay. So today, let us discuss editing tools of word processor. So what is word processor? You all know that word processor means talking about Microsoft Word. Okay. So in Microsoft Word, there are so many tools, right? There are so many features in Microsoft Word. Alright, today we will discuss the editing tools. So whenever you are working in Microsoft Word, we required these editing tools. Alright. So in the previous chapter, you learned about the different formatting and drawing tools featured in Microsoft Word application. So in chapter 3, we had discussed about borders and shadings, working with the shapes, working with the styles, okay, formatting tools, format painter, all these things we had discussed in chapter 3. Hope you remember that. Applying superscript, subscript, these were all the formatting tools. Alright, so in chapter 4 we will discuss the editing tools. Alright, so when we talk about the editing tools, the first thing we are going to discuss is the header and footer. Okay, so header and footer means, so children, this is your page. Okay, so just have a look at your book, just have a look at the pages. In every book, in every pages, you see header and footer. Okay, have you noticed that? So in the header section, you always see some heading, okay, heading lines. And in the footer section, we always see the page number of the book, or sometimes we see some of the logos. Alright, so the top portions are called header and the bottom portions are called footer. Okay, so like in every book, you will see the same kind of format. Alright, same kind of page number here also, same kind of page number here also. So when you turn the page, you'll see same kind of page number here also and here also. Alright, so these are called footer. Alright, so here the heading section, you will see some heading, different heading, but here you see this is Visit NGuru NIIT. Turn the page, you'll see NGuru NIIT, the same thing is there. So when you turn the page, here also you'll see NGuru NIIT. So which means that in this book also the same kind of header and footer has been applied. Alright, so whenever you need the same kind of header and same kind of footer, you can use header and footer from the editing tools of Microsoft Word processor. Alright, let's discuss editing tools. MS Word is a word processing software. It offers a variety of page, layout and editing option. These option helps you to customize your page settings. It ensures that the document appears as intended. So here we talk about the page settings. So header and footer means this is your page, as I told you. So here we are going to set the page, like we are going to give certain header and footer. Alright, so what happens when you give this header and footer? Your document will appears as intended, like this is your document. Okay, so you want a particular header and you want some particular footer. Okay, so if you want those things, header and footer, to appear in your page, then you can apply header and footer. So this option is there in Microsoft Word. Okay, a header or a footer represents a common text and a sign for all the pages in Microsoft Word document. As I told you, these are common text. It can be a text or it can be a sign for all the pages. It has to be uniform. Alright. So both are important tools for keeping a large document organized and easy to read. As I told you, These header and footer both are required to organize your document, which helps you to find the pages, which helps you to find the topic, and it will be easy to read as well. The text specified as header or footer appears on each page of that document. So you have to specify whether you want to give a page number as a header or page number as a footer. You have to specify that as per your specification, as per your choice, that particular text will be appear in the header and footer sections. Okay, the header is the section of the document located at the top margin of every pages. As I told you, header will be appear at the top margins of every pages, and it is generally added to specify additional information common to all. For example, you can display the current year of or the author's name. So if you want to display the current year 2021 here, and or if you want to display this NIT NGuru, okay, author's name, book's name, if you want to display in the header section, then you can give that in the header section. All right.